Hi, in this series I will be sharing tasty and ultralight backpacking recipes. This means that the meals have a high energy to weight ratio of at least 90 calories per ounce. The recipes are fast and easy to make with just a few ingredients. Today I'll be making a pasta aglio e olio, a classic Italian recipe that is famous for its pure flavors. On a trip, this is easy to combine with the meals that should now be appearing on your screen. The ingredients weigh in at 5.68 ounces and deliver 667 calories. We'll start with 3.5 ounces of tagliatelle that need to cold soak in 7 ounces of water for 90 minutes. Don't let it soak much longer or the pasta will become too soft. When you are ready for dinner, start off by chopping 2 cloves of garlic and be sure to embrace the smell. Now pour the pasta in your cooking pot and add some olive oil and water so the pasta has enough room. Bring it to a boil while stirring regularly and let it cook for just 1 minute. Get rid of the water and store the tagliatelle in a cup or Ziploc bag. Put the oil, garlic, the chili flakes and freeze-dried parsley in your pot and heat it slowly till the garlic starts to become brown. Turn off the fire and put the pasta back in. And stir really well. And top it off with parmesan. And that is all there is to it. Dinner is ready. For this recipe I put the pasta and garlic in a big 2.2 pound Ziploc bag. Put the olive oil in a small container of its own. Get a small Ziploc bag for the chili flakes and freeze-dried parsley. And put the parmigiano in another. There you go. The ultralight, easy and real Italian pasta aglio e olio with a great 122 calories per ounce is ready. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe for more.